Jack McCagg, John McCagg here. I'm the same guy, John Jack. Anyway, liberty8academy.org. The question is, how do I put real estate in the trust? It's so easy. Uh, there are two methods, really. First of all, you can pay someone to do it, a lawyer, right? That's how it's done a lot. And you could just be like, I want to put the deed in the name of the trust. So you pay them money and they do it for you. That's one. Or you could do it yourself and just use one piece of paper, quit claim deed, and it quits the claim and puts it on to another owner. So it doesn't say you have any rights, but it says any rights you have transfer into the new entity from the quit claim deed. It quits the previous claim if you have any, you see? And if you have full claim to the title, well, you could quit the claim, then it went into your person or an LLC or so on, right? And then you put it into your trust. That's how it works. Uh, you prepare the document, when you make the deed, right? The grantor is wherever it is now, your person's name, what have you, right? And then it's going to go into, the legal description is here off the deed, off the county website and so on, and tax records, right? The tax parcel ID, address, blah, 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 right? It's take it out of this entity and put in the other entity. That's it. Gets notarized. That's how you put real estate in the trust. Okay, and then you have to go down to your county and you pay a fee. And you're like, can you record this? And they look at the tax parcel ID number, like, oh, they recorded against that tax parcel ID, so it's recorded and it's up on their website. That's it. That's how you do it. Okay. Now, I'm not telling you to do it. I'm telling you this is how to do it. Okay. All right. You might want to get in our advanced financial solutions course after you get the trust. So I learned how to operate this trust. This is one of the ways, one of the things you can do. Okay. And then why would you do that? Well, of course, to get out of property taxes, which is a separate application. But first, you need the deed, right? The land to be owned by the trust. And then you can be like, see, the trust owns it, fill out the application to get the real estate taxes removed. Get approved for, oh, you're not taxable. Great. You don't get a tax bill every year for property. It's a trust property. Yay. You see how this works? Not complex, not expensive, super easy. Okay. Thank you.